Hi, I'm Maria from Crochet Fashion.
In this part I continue working on my motifs, and in today's video you will see how to join two or more motifs together in large piece of work. My joining has 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. I remind you I didn't finish my current motif. I started the last round. Now I need to do 3 chain space. Instead of 3 chain space, make a chain. Instead of second chain stitch, I'm making single crochet. Let's make the joining point. I put the second motif. I insert the hook from the back. This is my 3 chain space. I insert the hook into the middle chain stitch of this chain space. Make single crochet. Then chain and 2 single crochet into the picot in the current motif. Then 9 single crochet, 1, 2 and so on. Let's stop and look at my first joining point. This is my first joining point. Here how it looks. I joined these two using single crochet, and I remind you, instead of 3 chain space I did 2 chains plus single crochet. Then you should work with single crochet till the next joining point, till this point. This is the top of the next petal, and I will show you how to join at this point. Once I have done all my stitches, and now I show you how to make the second joining point. Instead of 3 chain space, make a chain as I did before, and the second chain stitch is replaced joining point. They are chain stitch and single crochet. Insert the hook into this chain stitch from the back. Make single crochet, chain and 2 single crochet into the chain space. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and so on. I stop at this point and let's look what I have done. You should continue working in this way. Then you should work with your own. You should crochet the last joining point in the same way as I showed you the first time. You should work into the middle chain stitch in the chain space. In the previous video tutorial you have seen how to crochet the motif, and in this video you have seen how to crochet the joining points. And I remind you, the motif could be like a separate motif or a part of big projects such as lace or gibber laces. In this video I just showed you how to crochet the way how to join motifs together. So you can use any kind of motifs that you like. Thank you so much for watching. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and write comment below this video what you will get with this video tutorial.